The repair shop is known for leaving viewers in tears, and expert Will Kirk explained he had to take 15 minutes outside the barn as he welled up. Speaking to Express.co.uk, the woodwork expert recalled, "There was a young boy called Jacob who bought in a rickety table, and that was the first time I had to take my 10 to 15 minutes. Everyone behind the cameras was crying, and it was just something that catches you off guard. Everything is relatable, and I think that's why the show has done so well, because everyone can relate to different stories." Will's co-star Steve Fletcher added he sometimes has to pinch myself to stop himself from crying. "Sometimes we have to hold ourselves back, and I have to pinch myself to stop myself from welling up," he shared. "All of us in the barn get emotional, even the crew." Last year, the repair shop team were visited by King Charles, who brought in a number of royal items to be restored. Will noted it was a real honor to meet with the monarch, and it was a testament to the show. Don't miss. Eurovision fans work out real reason why UK's May Muller failed to impress. Insight, Rylan forced to step in as Alicia Dixon makes Eurovision blunder live on air. Latest, the UK has been dealt crushing blow hours before the Eurovision final. Odds, he added, "We've been on air for 6 years now, we're a big family and getting bigger and bigger on screen and behind the camera." And, when His Highness came down, he made us all feel relaxed. "He was such a nice man." When asked if there were any funny moments off screen, Will laughed, "I couldn't possibly comment." Presenter Jay Blades insisted, "Everything went seamlessly, it was perfect." The host went on to share details of his experience at the King's coronation last weekend. "Every moment was my favorite, but not so favorite was getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning," he joked. "The music was sublime. To hear it in the Abbey was just unbelievable." Jay added he chatted to Ant and Dec, Joanna Lumley and Nick Cave, but he didn't realize who the musician was at first. He added, "It was absolutely magical. It was one of those things when you could walk around London and see no traffic, no tourists, and it's just all about the coronation, just a celebration of the King. It was special." The repair shop airs Wednesday on BBC One at 8 p.m. Additional reporting by Helen Kelly.
Now take